Welcome to our channel. Blue Lollipop, English for Kids. Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about birds. There are many types of birds. Let's learn the names of some of them. Parrot. Parrot. Repeat. Parrot. Parrot is a talking bird. Macaw. Macaw. Repeat. Macaw. Macaw is very colorful. Toucan. Toucan. Repeat. Toucan. Toucans live in rainforest. Sparrow. Sparrow. Repeat. Sparrow. I see a sparrow from my window. Blue jay. Blue jay. Repeat. Blue jay. The blue jay is perched on the branch. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Repeat. Hummingbird. The hummingbird is flying over the flowers. Goose. Goose. Repeat. Goose. The goose has white feathers. Rooster. Rooster. Repeat. Rooster. The rooster walks around the yard. Hen. Hen. Repeat. Hen. The hen has many eggs in her nest. Chick. Chick. Repeat. Chick. There are 3 chicks in the picture. Flamingo. Flamingo. Repeat. Flamingo. The flamingo is such a beautiful bird. Peacock. Peacock. Repeat. Peacock. The peacock is a docile bird. Turkey. Turkey. Repeat. Turkey. The turkey is walking under the trees. Vulture. Vulture. Repeat. Vulture. The vulture is flying over the rocks. Eagle. Eagle. Repeat. Eagle. The eagle flies very high. Hawk. Hawk. Repeat. Hawk. The hawk is hunting. Swan. Swan. Repeat. Swan. The swan is swimming in the pond. Dove. Dove. Repeat. Dove. The dove is in its nest. Penguin. Penguin. Repeat. Penguin. The penguin is a flightless bird. Pelican. Pelican. Repeat. Pelican. The pelican lives near the sea. Seagull. Seagull. Repeat. Seagull. The seagull catches fish in the sea. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Repeat. Woodpecker. The woodpecker lives in the woods. Duck. Duck. Repeat. Duck. The duck jumps into the lake. Owl. Owl. Repeat. Owl. The owl has big eyes. Stork. Stork. Repeat. Stork. The stork eats fish. Heron. Heron. Repeat. Heron. Herons live near rivers. Canary. Canary. Repeat. Canary. The canary is a small bird. Parakeet. Parakeet. Repeat. Parakeet. This parakeet is green and yellow. Crow. Crow. Repeat. Crow. Crows are very smart birds. Cockatoo. Cockatoo. Repeat. Cockatoo. Cockatoos are from Australia. Cardinal. Cardinal. Repeat. Cardinal. The cardinal has a red feather. Puffin. Puffin. Repeat. Puffin. The puffin has a colorful beak. Ostrich. Ostrich. Repeat. Ostrich. Ostriches are tall birds. Thank you for watched our video. See you in the next one.